Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to discuss the topic sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon. You get exterior angles on all polygons. Here we have a regular pentagon. Let's start off by understanding what exterior angles actually are. You get exterior angles by extending each side at each vertex of the polygon. So, at each corner, you have to extend one of the sides to make it to be longer. Here in blue, I have extended one of the sides to the top vertex of the polygon. And then, you have to walk away around the polygon, still extending their straight lines of the sides. It is very important to keep going in the same direction around the polygon. Once we reach this stage, you can just draw all the angles. You can see here. All of the blue angles in this diagram are the exterior angles of this polygon. The main thing you need to remember about the exterior angles on polygons is all exterior angles of a polygon add up to 360 degree. Let us discuss some example questions. First question. Find the measure of x in the following figure. Here we have an irregular polygon, such as have here an irregular quadrilateral. And you might be given some of the exterior angles. The exterior angles are 80 degree, 50 degree, 110 degree and one angle with unknown measure which is given as x. We need to find the measure of x. By using the concept sum of the exterior angles of a polygon, we will get the value of x. Let us check the solution. We know that sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. So, x plus 80 degree plus 50 degree plus 110 degree is equal to 360 degree. Next step is x plus 80 degree plus 50 degree plus 110 degree is 240 degree is equal to 360 degree. From this, x is equal to 360 degree minus 240 degree. Therefore, x is equal to, what is 360 degree minus 240 degree? Yes, 120 degree. Therefore, the unknown exterior angle x is equal to 120 degree. Second question. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degree. In the question, it is given that measure of each exterior angles of the polygon is 45 degree. We need to find the number of sides of the regular polygon. So, if you divide the total measure of the exterior angles of the polygon by measure of the each exterior angle, then you will get the number of sides of the given polygon. Let us check the solution. We know that total measure of all exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Given measure of each exterior angle is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, the number of sides of the regular polygon is equal to 360 divided by 45, which is equal to, if you divide 360 by 45, you will get 8. Therefore, the polygon has 8 sides and 8 exterior angles. Third question. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 6 sides. In the previous question, it is given the measure of each exterior angles of the polygon. We need to find the number of sides. But in this question, number of sides is given. We need to find the measure of each exterior angle of the given regular polygon. So, if you divide the total measure of the exterior angle by number of sides, then you will get the measure of each exterior angles of the polygon. Let us check the solution. We know that sum of the measures of the exterior angles of any polygon is equal to 360 degree. Given number of sides is equal to 6. Therefore, measure of each exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by 6. If you divide 360 by 6, then you will get the answer 60. So, a regular polygon of 6 sides whose each exterior angle has a measure of 60 degree. Fourth question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 165 degree? Children, observe the question carefully. Here we have the measure of each interior angles. In the previous questions, we discussed about exterior angles. We don't know the name of the given regular polygon. So we can't take an accurate measurement of the sum of the interior angles. Such these situations, we need to apply the general equations. Let us check the solution. We need to find the number of sides of the given regular polygon. So number of sides is unknown to us. Let n be the number of sides of a regular polygon. We know that sum of all interior angles of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. So, measure of its each angle is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree divided by n. Given, measure of each interior angle is equal to 165 degree. So, while comparing these two information, we will get n minus 2 into 180 degree divided by n is equal to 165. Next, we need to apply distributive property in the numerator of the LHS. So, 180 into n is 180n. 180 into minus 2 is minus 360 divided by n is equal to 165. Here we need to apply the cross multiplication technique. The denominator of 165 is 1. So 1 into 180n minus 360 is 180n minus 360 is equal to n into 165. 165n. Next, let us keep the like terms together. So, the next step is 180n. Take 165n from RHS. So, it will change into minus 165n is equal to transpose 360 to the RHS. So, minus 360 will change into positive 360. Next step, 180n minus 165n is 15n is equal to 360. From this, n is equal to 360 divided by 15. What is 360 divided by 15? Yes, it is 24. Hence, the number of sides of the given regular polygon is equal to 24. Next, let us discuss some important facts about interior and exterior angles of a polygon. First, let us check the facts about interior angles. Sum of the measures of all interior angles of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. We discussed some of the interior angles of certain polygons. They are: sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Sum of the interior angles of a pentagon is 540 degree, and so on. You can find sum of the interior angles of any polygon by using the equation n-2 into 180 degree. The minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon is 60 degree. Next, facts about exterior angles. The sum of the measures of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. The maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon is 120 degree. Okay children, today's class is completed. I hope you understood what we discussed today.